After unique key, let's see what is foreign key. Foreign key is a column or set of columns that is referred to a primary key or unique key of another table. Let's say we have two tables, one is department and one is staff. Okay, let's say in department we have 1 2 3, and suppose if we try to add another person in the staff table with the value 4, that must be rejected because there is no department called 4, so it should not be accepted in that particular table, right? So in that situation we have to use this foreign key. To create a foreign key, we the parent table should have at least one primary key or unique key. Yeah, so let's see how we can create such a primary key and foreign key relationship. So now we have created a table called department, and here we have marked department ID as primary key. So next, to create foreign key, we have created a table staff, and this department ID is the foreign key. So the syntax is very simple. We have to add the keyword foreign key, and in this table which column need to be foreign key, and references which table. Department is the table, right? And in this department we are referring to this department ID, so we are adding it here. Okay. Now if we try to insert the values here, and let's see what is there. In department we have one HR, and in staffs we have Ravi, one department ID is 1. Suppose if we try to add 2 here, it should be rejected because there is no department called 2, right? Here we have only one department. If we try to insert another department, it must be rejected. Only the department with 1 should be accepted. That's the main concept of this foreign key. So let's try to insert this 5. Okay, now it got rejected. Now suppose if you want to delete this department, let's see, it won't get deleted to prevent data loss. Okay, and you can delete the data from its child table, but you cannot delete the data from its parent table by default. But we can override this by creating while creating we can add this on delete cascade. Suppose when we add on delete cascade, what it will do is that if suppose if I try to delete that HR, just a minute, suppose if I try to delete this HR, so the dependent value of this row will be deleted. That's the that's how we can do it. Here we just need to add this on delete cascade. That's the thing. Similarly, we can also add on update cascade. So when we try to update this particular department, let's say I am trying to update the ID into 10, then all the values which are 1 in this particular table will be updated to 10. Okay,